Hey everybody, my name is Jason. I'm the chef at Oregon State University's Food Innovation Center, and today we're gonna make breakfast. We're actually gonna make a frittata, and we're gonna pack it with potatoes, onions, parsley, garlic, and of course, eggs. It's gonna taste delicious. I'm gonna start by cutting up some onion. Then I'm gonna take some garlic. I'm gonna cook these in a skillet with a little bit of olive oil. Cut the potatoes really, really thin. Add this into our onion and garlic mixture. Season with a little bit of salt. We're gonna chop up all the parsley we want. Got our eggs and parsley here in this bowl. Got a little bit of heavy cream here. Now we're gonna do some mixing. Pour these into our onion and potato mixture. And the eggs sort of start to scramble. So what we wanna do is move them around a little bit. And at this point, we are gonna put this in the oven. Here we have our finished frittata. It's so nice and dense and pretty. And what I'm gonna do is just garnish with some more parsley because I love parsley. Here we have it. We've got our onion, potato, and parsley frittata. You can make this all year round, and you can have it for breakfast or you can have it for dinner. So make sure you try it at home. Thanks.